Actually, what I'm doing is got it over the lip. The bead is over the lip. And I'm going to see if I can hold it back using this and rotate it. See, it just flips out. Start again. Turn over that like that. Okay, now I'm going to put this in. Start rotating. Take it around and out. Yay! Probably because I can't hold it. With 3 hands, just like doing a regular bloody time. There's a twisting moment that turns it. Yeah, I don't have the grip strength to hold that. So now I can't get out that way. Yeah, I wasn't able to figure it out, so I've got one lever in jamming it, and I'm working my way around the tire. These two. That should be it. And there it is. So, yeah, I can get it on a lot faster with these because I can't figure out how to use the Harbor Freight tool.